welcome back to Let's Build a Willys Jeep channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install the transfer case breather vent, which will be located in this hole right here. And the breather vent is this component right here. So you just have to thread on this right here onto the transfer case like right here, and just use a screwdriver, stick it in that hole, and then tighten it up till it's snug. And then you're gonna put the top of the vent on, and then it'll be held with this cotter pin. And also make sure you use thread sealant so it won't leak on you. It's gonna prevent as much leaks as we can. As you know, these things leak lots. So with some thread sealant, just make sure you put a good amount on this thread right here. Let's say that's probably about enough. And now you just thread it into its hole and its location. Just like that, into the transfer case. Now I get a screwdriver and stick it through this hole right here, and that will tighten down this big threaded bolt right here kind of thing. And you see, you just use a screwdriver right here and stick it through the hole, and then you can spin the breather vent here. I'll just go until it gets pretty snug right here. I don't want to go too far and strip everything. Now you just stick on the top cap right here, and then with the cotter pin we'll feed it through this hole and the hole on this right here. As you can see, the cotter pin is stuck all the way through like that. Make sure you have a long enough cotter pin so it goes all the way through and you can properly bend both sides. I'll bend both these sides. And there you go. The breather vent on the transfer case is now installed.